In this video, I will be comparing Coinbase versus Crypto.com, two of the biggest platforms to buy, sell and manage crypto. So we'll look at what they are, how they work, their features, importantly also their fees and spreads, and finally I'll tell you which one makes the most sense depending on your goals. Now you can see I actually have experience with both of these. I have had accounts with both of them for years, and I'll go over which one I think is best. So first, what exactly are they? Coinbase is one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world, and it's especially popular in the US. It is publicly listed on the Nasdaq and it's heavily regulated. It's designed to be beginner friendly. So if you're new to crypto, Coinbase often feels like the easiest place to start. Crypto.com is also a global crypto platform, but it positions itself differently. It's not just an exchange, it's a whole ecosystem. Besides buying and selling crypto, you can get a Visa card that gives rewards, high yield staking opportunities and a big focus on integrating crypto into everyday spending. It's more appealing if you want to actively use crypto, not just hold it. So who are they for? Coinbase is for beginners and people who want a safe, simple way to buy and hold. Crypto.com is for users who want lower trading fees, more features and perks like cashback cards and staking. So some of their unique features: on Coinbase, the app and website are extremely clean and straightforward. You just log in, choose the cryptocurrency you want. For example, I'll just buy some Bitcoin right here. Then you choose how much of it you want to buy. Then here I can just select whichever currency I want to buy. For example, I'll just use Solana right here. Then you can click review order, buy now, and now I have already bought it. So I just bought €2.12. Now in my crypto you can see that less shows up. The reason for that is that Coinbase has kind of a flat fee. That means that on smaller amounts, just €2, the fee seems very high, which it is, but say I did €1,000, then the fee would be the same, in which case it would be very small. Now on Crypto.com the interface feels a bit busier because it is packed with options. The simple app lets you buy and sell easily, but the Crypto.com exchange is where serious traders save money with lower fees. On top of that, you can apply for the Crypto.com Visa card, which gives you cash back in CRO tokens, which is Crypto.com's currency called Kronos. And for people who want to maximize rewards and actively use their crypto, Crypto.com offers more flexibility. In terms of security, both have strong reputations. Coinbase highlights its regulatory compliance and insurance coverage, which is reassuring for US customers, and Crypto.com also has a good record and famously covered losses in a major hack, which built trust. So both use two-factor authentication and cold storage for funds. Now let's get into one of the most important parts, the cost of using them. On Coinbase, the regular app is convenient but expensive. When you buy or sell, you often pay a spread of around 0.5% or more, plus a transaction fee. For example, the transaction fee is $1 in the case that I just showed you, and if you buy $200 of Bitcoin with a debit card, you could lose $5 or $6 instantly. If you use their advanced trade platform, the fees are lower. Maker and taker fees range from about 0.00% to 0.6% depending on your volume, but spread can still eat into the price you get. On Crypto.com, the fees are generally lower if you use the exchange. Maker and taker fees often start under 0.75% and can drop below 0.1% if you trade larger volumes or stake CRO. The spread on the exchange is usually smaller than Coinbase, but if you stick to the app and buy with a credit or debit card, you will face about a 2.99% fee plus spread, which is expensive. So the difference really comes down to how you use the platform. Both charge for fiat deposits and withdrawals depending on the method. Bank transfers are usually free, but wire transfers or card deposits can cost extra. Both also pass on blockchain network fees when you withdraw crypto. Finally, for staking, Coinbase usually takes a commission from the staking rewards, so you earn less compared to the full yield. Crypto.com offers a higher APYs, especially if you stake CRO, which in this case you can see 5.79%, but it comes with lockup periods and more complexity. So ultimately, which crypto platform should you choose? Now whichever one you want to get started with, you can do so completely for free through the links that I'll leave down in the description, and you can also get deposit bonuses through those links. Now first, if you are brand new to crypto and want the simplest experience and care most about trust, regulation and a clean interface, Coinbase is the safer and easier choice. Yes, you will pay more in fees, but you are paying for convenience and peace of mind. On the other hand, if you plan to trade more actively, care about minimizing fees, or you want perks like a crypto rewards card and higher staking yields, Crypto.com is the better option. Just remember that to actually save money, you need to use the exchange instead of the one-click buy, and staking Crow can unlock even lower costs. So in short, Coinbase is simple, trusted and beginner friendly, but more expensive, especially for small purchases, and Crypto.com is feature rich, usually cheaper on trading fees and better for active users who want rewards and staking, though it comes with more complexity. So that concludes this comparison of Coinbase versus Crypto.com. Again, you can get started with both of them through the links that I'll leave down in the description. If this comparison helped you make a decision, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.